Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Um, I just wanted to put this Father's Day card together with you guys. I am doing it like the night before. I die cut all the sodas and everything, but I hadn't had a chance to put them together. I used the KSCRAFT soda bottle die, I think is what it's called. It's not like a super recent release, I don't think. But I just got it, so this is the first time that I'm crafting with it. And then I don't know where this die is from, but it came with a bunch of different glasses, and so I added some little glasses to this guy, and I made him a shaker. But I just figured that this would be a cool die. I also don't know where these letters are from, and somehow, I do have a small child, and I don't have the letters B through E. So I kind of just worked around that, and I converted a G into a C and a O into a D. So I have all the letters that I need, but... Oh, I also used an embossing folder on this, which I forgot to grab, but you can see there's some embossing there. And then I didn't have any blanks prepared, so I'm just going to use these because you're not going to see it anyways except for on the back, and honestly, they're, for men, obviously, and they're not gonna care. Okay, so I'm just gonna use these. I have them in my stash. I need to use them up, so we're gonna use these. So I'm going to glue the back on. I left my little needle over by the die cutting machine, but I thought this would be fun, and put out a video. I've been wanting to do more videos where I do like craft with me's, because I always like watching those, and I think it's fun. So I'm gonna do this as fast as possible. The baby is in the girls' room and they're entertaining him, so that I can do this. So thank you to my daughter for distracting him so that we can do this together, guys. Alright, and then these are actually, is this a KSCRAFT die? I think it is. I don't know. I'll put in the description who makes this die, because I don't remember. But I actually had these stashed away, left over from my birthday challenge, and Gina S had sent these to me, so thank you, Gina. I had recently refound them in the stash, and I was like, oh man, let's try to use these, even though the colors aren't an exact match, so that they get used and I don't have to do more die cutting than I need to, because I do own this die actually, but it gets to be a lot. I have my fiance, I have my dad, and then my brother has a kid, so I don't want to die cut any more than I have to. Okay, and I'm going to put it rather high, because then it's near the bottleneck, and I have more room to put the letters on the card. Even though the words are not like super long words, it does take enough space on the card that I'm trying to scrunch everything over to the other side. I'm going to put plenty of glue on here because I don't want this to fall off, you know. So, I used this paper. The pattern paper is a paper pad that I had recently gotten at Joann's. It's by Die Cuts with a View, DCWV, and it's called School Days. But I just loved some of these patterns that aren't like necessarily school, and I really wanted to use it. So when I got my bottle die, look at this mix. Isn't it pretty? And then I used black hollow on the sunglasses and on the neckband for the bottle. Put it like that. Okay, and then the letters that I cut out so that they will fit are, you are S O D. See, and this D was actually an O that I cut because I lost the D. So I need to order another set of these, but for now this will work, and I will get my Father's Day cards done. Your soda cool. Get it? Rachel, you should love this because it's punny. I love puns. Puns, corny jokes, I'm all about that. And I'll probably scoot this over just a little bit more over here. My finger's like shaky, I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, what do you guys think? I think it's cute. You could use this not for Father's Day, but I think it's fun. It's very gender neutral. I tried to use colors that are obviously a bit not so feminine. The hollow I think is kind of cool. It adds a little something something flashy, even though I can't necessarily use jemmies. I mean, I could, but I just don't think that's very masculine, so I'm going with this. And you don't have to make it a shaker either, but I think shakers are more fun, so I was seriously considering not doing it as a shaker, but then it's not like as special. Is that crooked? I hope not. It's going on. But and this is the first time that I separated the alphabet because I needed so many O's on this one, and I didn't want to just have a bunch of random letters because I did that when I used the die before. And then you just have all these extra letters sitting around that you're never going to use. And you use up your nice paper, because I like to make letters usually in a metallic or something. That's a little bit crooked, but oh wow, it's staying on. And yeah, I think this is a pretty sweet card. And like I said, you could use it even for like a girl. You could use it, I feel like it could be a multi-occasion type of card, you know. You could use it for Valentine's Day and use like more hearts or something inside the soda. You could use it for a birthday. Yeah. Isn't that fun? I think it's super fun. I love the hollow. And then whenever I use these card blanks that have print, because I got these on, not this, not these, the current Hobby Lobby clearance, but the last one. And then you don't have the strip on here, and they don't really see it anyways, you know. If you want to cover it up, you can, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Your soda cool. And then let me glue the other ones and I'll show you all three together. But I really, really like how that turned out. It's fun. It's a shaker. I like the little glasses on him. Christian, eat your heart out. And there they are. I am in love with them. They're so cute. So yeah, you should buy this die. And I'll see you on the next video, guys.